We took this out of our bathroom, okay, and my husband thinks it's marble, so I'm gonna clean it up, scuff it, and put it back in because it is solid as a rock. You know, because of the fire, we took it out, and the plumber and my husband, they think it's marble. And look, you see the thickness of it? Look how thick it is. So this deserves another chance. So I'm gonna clean it up and make it pretty again, and put it back in the bathroom. Absolutely beautiful. But I'm gonna clean it up now. So the plumber, both of them think it's marble. So we're gonna clean it up and try to do a light color epoxy over it. Yes, you know, light, the clear epoxy. Yes. So that's it. That's the size of it. It's really big. Look at it. It's really big. So I start cleaning here, you know. So I'm gonna clean up the rest of it and see what gives. If we can't save it, then we just dump it out and get another one. But this is really good. So I'm gonna try to make it pretty again. Alright, I clean. I start cleaning. See? Start cleaning it. I clean so much of it already. It's very dirty. I just scuff it down a little bit. So it looks like. So I need to go to Home Depot and I have to get something to fill in all of those little holes there. All of them. There's a lot of little holes, so I'm gonna go get some kind of a stone filler and fill them in. And there's some over there too. Right there. You see it? I'm gonna fill them in. And here too. Right there. I'm gonna make her pretty again. Okay, I just finished using some of that all-purpose bando to seal in all the cracks around the corner of it and all the little cracks and holes and stuff. And I'm gonna sand it down. Just gonna make her looking pretty again. put bando on it, and I'm sanding it down because I use it to carve the corners. You know, where you have mostly a lot of where you have a lot of leaf in the corners. I put bando in, and now I'm sanding it down with an 80 GM80 sandpaper, and then I'm going to use a 220 to finish it up. And I was thinking of putting epoxy on it, and every one of the stores I go to, they said I shouldn't because this is natural stone, so I should seal it. And I watch a lot of YouTube channels where they said, oh, put epoxy it lasts forever. And all of the stores, all of the Home Depot, Lowe's, and Decor, they said no, it's natural stone, so I should seal it. So after I finish with my sanding, I'm gonna clean it up, give it a real good clean, and then I'm gonna seal it. So I'm not gonna epoxy it anymore. Okay? They said it's not good to do that, so I'm not gonna do it. So there you have it. See, there was a little hole right here. I fill it in with the bando, then I sand it out so you can really see it anywhere. See, here it is. That's what I'm doing to them. There was one here too. There was a little crack. And I put the bando on. I sand it out back to the stone, so it just fill in the crack and like that. See, like I do it hard. Okay, today we are putting in this in the we're changing out the top, the bottom of the washer, the shower pan. We're just changing these. That's all we're doing. Okay, we're putting back the shower pan in, and that's where it's going back. See, they do things a little different in those days, and the plumber is gonna put some cement on the corners to hold it in after he put this in the bottom of it, and that's what's there. Okay, so we're just gonna put it right back in. There it is. Yeah, so that's my little DIY for today. And the strip, when you're doing, in order to take, after you buy this and you take this part off, you have to use something to pop this part off of it. Okay? And this thing in the middle, this thing in there, this little thing that is shaking in the bottom of it, that little thing there, that is to tighten it up. That's what you use to tighten it up once you put the tub, the shower pan in place. And you hear what the plumber said? Oh, I don't think Google can understand that. But that's to keep this part, the piece of cardboard, this cardboard inside here. Make sure you kept that part in it. That way it doesn't buckle and start leak. Because some people just take it off and throw it out. So my DIY friends out there, you make sure you keep this little cardboard. Because sometimes people just think it's just, that's not supposed to be there. And they take it off and toss it. Make sure you keep this part, okay? Because that's what gonna keep it from the rubber from meeting the plastic and buckling. Okay, rubber meet rubber and start buckling. All right, so make sure you have this little piece of plastic there in the bottom of your shower pan. Okay, all right, see you in my next video, guys. My next video. And remember, this part inside, this little thing here, that is to tighten it up. This little thing that is shaking in here, that's what used to tighten it up. Okay, all right, there you have it. They're setting down the what you call that, tin set? Is that what you call it? Or we call it some cement. You're setting the cement down in the corners, like from here, there, to hold the tub in place. Even though it's really heavy, we just want to make sure that, everything is going copacetic. Okay? And there it is, my dear. Brand new. Brand new. Look that. Stop on it now.
Give it an extra buff.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put another seal on it. Seal this little section here. I'm going to seal it after I finish. You don't have to throw your stone after people who take down the drywall and stuff, they mess with it and crack it up. I'm going to sun it down to a point where it becomes seamless. Alright? Okay, that's what it looks like now that it's finished. that is there. So, is it here? Is it over here? I don't know. Seamless. Burn right soon. Okay. Cleaned up my shower pan and my soaker tub because they are cultured marble, and look at them. They are absolutely beautiful. I did not want to change them out and put plastic in my bathroom, and look how pretty they are. Follow me for more.